Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I have my grocery haul for the week. I did go to ALDI today. I also went to Price Right just for a couple items because they are right next door to each other. At ALDI, I spent $73. I had to do a major produce stock up this week, as you guys will see. And then, like I said, just a couple things from Price Right. So I guess I'll just start off with the things from Price Right. I actually just went there to get a couple of these banana chip bags. They are really tasty. They're $1.99. It's just an 8.5 ounce bag, but I like to mix these with like in a little baggie with some nuts and dried fruit. We've got like craisins and things like that. And they're just really good. They're like sweet and crispy. So I got a couple bags to hold us over. I'm gonna get a few more soon because we're taking a couple trips in August, and this will be great for the road because one of the trips is like 6 hours away. So a couple of those, and then while I was at Price Right, I decided just to grab this oatmeal because I want to start trying to eat breakfast. I know I've talked about this before. It's a struggle for me because I'm just not hungry in the morning. I get up about 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning, and at that point I'm just not hungry. But I am going to try and make myself remember to eat breakfast. So oatmeal and bananas from Price Right. Everything else you're going to see is from ALDI. So at ALDI I got some strawberries. I have a few left from the big pack from last week, so I did get this to get us through the rest of the week. My son asked for blackberries and raspberries, so I got both of those. I got a big bunch of bananas because we actually have none left at all. We were gone most of the weekend on a trip, so we needed bananas. I got this huge thing of broccoli crowns. It was only $1.59, so I use those for sides and for salads. I did get the Berman's, which is just an ALDI brand. This is just their Worcestershire sauce. I already have some in my bottle, but I'm trying to have back stock for all of the sauces that I cook with on a regular basis. I got this special sauce from ALDI. It looks to be kind of like a Big Mac sauce, but I thought it would be good to dip like chicken tenders in or put on sandwiches. So we're gonna try that out. I got my husband the white chocolate mocha coffee creamer. I got some of the mini muffin blueberry flavor. They're like the ALDI version of the little bites in the little individual packages. I got a Flips almond Coco Loco yogurt. It's just a Greek yogurt with a little flip topping. And then I got the, I've never seen this flavor before. I got the less sugar Greek yogurt Madagascar vanilla and cinnamon. This is just some fully cooked bacon strips. I thought they'd be easy to throw on sandwiches or salads. I got just the baby spinach pack here. I like to add those to salads to bulk them up. The mask mandates here in New York are completely lifted. However, not in school. So I'm pretty sure at this point, when school starts in September, the kids are still gonna have to wear masks unless they're vaccinated. And my son is only 9, so he's not able to be vaccinated. So I did get this 50 pack. It's actually just the 3-ply black face mask. It was only $2.99, which is the cheapest I have ever seen them. Just in case he does have to wear them to school because it's looking that way as of right now in July. So I'd rather just have them and, you know, just in case. I also got these brioche everything bagel buns again. If you watch my last ALDI haul from a few weeks ago, I had grabbed these and they're really tasty. Just your traditional brioche bun, of course, with that seasoning on top. So those would be good for sandwiches, burgers, whatever. I did get some of their fresh peeled garlic. I can just use it to throw in recipes and to save myself some time. We were all out of carrots and just, I think we're down to like 1 piece of celery. So I got celery and carrots because I do cook with those a lot. I got another head of cauliflower, one of my favorite veggies. I just used the last of mine up, so I grabbed another head. This is just some green cabbage, just the regular green cabbage. I'm gonna do a couple recipes this week with the cabbage. I'm actually gonna do one tonight, I think. I got a head of iceberg for lettuce wraps. I'm gonna do some lettuce wraps for lunches this week. Also some spring mix for salads, of course. I got a 5-pound bag of baking potatoes. They actually looked really nice. They're all like uniform size. So of course, baked potatoes, roasted potatoes, throw in recipes, that kind of thing. I got some peppers. I forgot the price on these, but it was a good price. And this one just has 2 red and an orange. I got the Aldi red bag chicken breast fillets again. Again, another item I picked up a few weeks ago, and they are really tasty. I made some chicken sandwiches with them. I also cooked some and sliced them and put them on salads. And they're just good. You could also, I think these would be really good in like a wrap as well if you cooked it and added like some lettuce, tomato, whatever kind of veggies you like, and then some kind of a condiment, some cheese if you like cheese. But yeah, I'm glad I got this. I probably should have gotten 2, but I only had limited time. I did go on my lunch break today, which I only have an hour, so I did just get 1. I also got these apples. It says they're called Ruby Frost apples. Never heard of them, but they looked good. They were $1.49 a pound, and this is a 3-pound. It weighed up at 3 pounds. And they're just like a made in or a grown in New York apple, so hopefully those are good for snacking. I also got the lattice cut aged cheddar and black pepper kettle chips, which I thought looked pretty good. The flavor sounds good as well, and it's cool that they're kettle, but they're also like the lattice cut. These I've gotten several times before. If you guys have seen them, probably in one of my lunch videos. You literally use this mozzarella wrap as the actual wrap. So I'm going to use them for my husband's lunches this week. I'm going to just put some turkey and lettuce and condiment, and you know, you don't even need cheese because the wrap is cheese itself. I think someone told me they have something like this at Walmart. I don't think I've ever seen it there, but Aldi's the only place I know of as of around me where I can find them. I also got some zucchini. They were super cheap, and they look really good. They were 99 cents, I believe, for this, and we like throwing zucchini on skewers and on the barbecue grill. And then lastly, I got this Pacific Redwood scented soy candle. It's by the brand Huntington Home. It's just a 3-wick candle, and this is specifically for the basement because I like to just get more inexpensive candles for the basement because we are not down there as much. Usually at night we'll go down for a couple hours, and I just like to have a candle down there. But yeah, that's everything I got today. Again, it was just a major produce stock up, mostly because I stocked up on meat a couple weeks ago, so it was just a lot of things I needed to fill in the blanks for meals, and I'm going to share my meal plan now for next week. Alright, so meal plan for next week. I'm going to make a cabbage stir fry. I'm also going to make one tonight, but that had a cabbage will get me at least 2 dinners. Probably even maybe 2.5. I'll use the rest of the cabbage. I'll throw it into some kind of dish. But anyways, next week I'm going to do a cabbage sausage stir fry. It's like a low carb recipe with just a simple salad on the side. I'll also throw in onions and whatever other veggies I need to use up. I actually think I have some corn that I cut off a cob that I need to throw in there. So just a little bit of this, a little bit of that, season it up, and it's really tasty. I'm going to do some marinated chicken skewers next week. I'll put the chicken in the marinade in the morning, and then I'll skewer them, cut them into pieces, and add whatever veggies we have to use up. And I'll just do rice and tomato salad. My mom brought me a bunch of tomatoes that I need to go ahead and use, so I'll just do tomato, cucumber, basil, balsamic, olive oil, salt, and pepper. It's just really simple and fresh. I pulled out the waffle maker because I want to do some waffles. I already have the waffle mix. We'll use some berries, probably going to be strawberries that I'll just put on top with a little bit of maple syrup and butter. And then I'll just do some home fries with some of those potatoes that I bought. I'm going to do some beef lettuce wraps next week. It's like a sweet and spicy beef. It's definitely a little bit more spicy than sweet. And I actually just serve the beef mixture in the lettuce, and we eat it like taco style, and I'll just do some basmati rice on the side. I did make this recipe last month. I might have a clip of it, so I will go ahead and insert that here so you can see what it looks like. But those are really tasty. Most of you guys know I no longer do what's for dinner videos, but every once in a while if I remember, I will record a little clip that I can use, that I can kind of plug in a future video, whether it's a grocery haul or a lunch video or something that I need to use it as like an example if I am talking about it. So I did have a clip on those. For our no meat night, I'm gonna do a quiche and a salad. I think I'm gonna do a broccoli roasted tomato quiche with some sharp cheddar, and then a salad will just be like a simple side salad with whatever I need to use up. I'm pretty sure Thursday we're gonna go to the food truck festival after my son's jiu-jitsu class. The food truck festival runs in our area from like, I think after Memorial Day through Labor Day, and it's tons of different vendors. They have like events for kids and little things kids can do. So I think we're gonna go there with some friends after my son's class. And then I know next Sunday, we're gonna go to my parents' house for dinner because we were supposed to go last weekend, but we were out of town. So we're gonna go there and just have like pasta, salad, Italian bread, pretty standard, but that's what's going on for next week. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.